Two.
Was it a sweet machine?
It was sweet.
Of course, this is sweet.
It's cool. It's more streetable.
Was that the idea? Was to get something?
I mean, I did everything I could last year in Utah and Idaho and Nevada.
Kind of where I'm at. It's like, now what do you do from here?
Yeah. I think being able to run into town and grab an ice cream cone in Moab while I'm camping would be cool.
That's kind of. I've got a crew cab Chevy I'm thinking about doing. Like, have you seen that one that Off-Road Design had?
Yeah.
I've got that very truck. Of course, it's stock right now, but it's 1 ton driving gear, and I'm thinking, yeah. The only problem is I can't do this trail where they cave the doors in.
Right.
But it's a crew cab. I can put my family in it. I can drive it to Moab.
Right. That's. I mean, back in the day when you had to drive it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You had just as much fun.
Yeah.
You know. You didn't do
A little bit smarter now, and you'd build it the right way. You know. Yeah. I know it. I think that was 39 Reds. Smoke those.
Yeah, I'm kind of thinking about going back to speedable. I might regret it, I don't know, but you always build another buggy.
That's what I thought too. Mine was just the portal thing was cool, but it was getting overwhelming. And
kind of high maintenance.
they were way high maintenance. And I figured.
I thought about going that route. Like, man, you'll spend a lot of money trying to make it.
I never wrenched on anything except for those. And I thought that was dumb. You know, but I can build another buggy or buy another buggy or work into something new like that.
They're sure cool though, as far as accidents.
Yeah. Once I started putting 42s on, it was just too much leverage on the outside. The 39 Reds were perfect for it, but I wore those out in a year. 6,200 pound drive.
Really?
That was kind of the. It's the front driver hub.